Hello learners.
Hello, sir.
You are all welcome to the Science Laboratory. My name is Professor RSK. We shall be discussing in this lesson diversity of matter. In this lesson, we will learn the following. Life processes are living processes. Living things, non-living things and never living things. What are living processes?
Professor RSK, I read that living processes are the things that only living things can do.
Excellent, that's mind-blowing. Now let us talk briefly about living things. Living things exhibit locomotory motion, they move. Animals are able to move as they possess specialized locomotory organs. For example, earthworms move through the soil surface through longitudinal and circular muscles. Plants move in order to catch sunlight for photosynthesis.
Sir, does it mean that living things can move from one place to another as human beings do?
Exactly, Karen, living things do. Any question?
No question, sir.
If no question, let us continue with our studies. Some characteristics of living things may include the following. Living things respire. Respiration is a chemical reaction, which occurs inside cells to release energy from the food. Transport of gases takes place. The food that is ingested through the process of digestion is broken down to release energy that is utilized by the body to produce water and carbon dioxide as byproducts. What do plants inhale and what do they exhale?
Professor RSK, can I try?
Yes, Karen.
Plants inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide.
You tried your best, but that is not the correct answer. The answer to the question I asked was plant inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. The next characteristic is that living things are sensitive to touch and other stimuli as well, and have the capability to sense changes in their environment.
Professor. Please, what do we mean by sensitive to touch?
Sensitive to touch, as I said in other words, simply means tangible. Is everything understood?
Yes.
In addition to the above characteristics, they grow. Living things mature and grow through different stages of development. One of the striking features is that living things are capable of producing offsprings of their own kind through the process of reproduction, wherein genetic information is passed from the parents to the offsprings. To conclude, living things acquire and fulfill their nutritional requirements to survive through the process of nutrition and digestion, which involves engulfing and digesting the food. Some living organisms are also autotrophic, which means they can harness the sun's energy to make their food, also known as autotrophs. Any question about today's lesson on living things?
No, sir.
Thank you for your participation. End of lesson task. Copy the question, complete and submit before the next lesson. Question 1. List 5 characteristics of living things. Question 2. List 10 examples of living things. Thank you for your participation. See you in our next lesson.